Stylution Group is a large furniture manufacturer in China. Founded in 1973, with 5 production bases located in China, Guangdong and Jiangsu, Taiwan, California and Malaysia. It ran for international brands, Restonic, American, Sleep Train, American, Sleep Therapy American, and Musterring German. iDream is an OEM export brand under Stylution Group. Products include mattresses, beds, cabinets, sofas and so on. We also produce raw materials, foam, pocket springs, bonal springs and non-woven fabrics. Our mattress products can be compressed, folded and rolled up, saving a lot of space and shipping costs. In 2024, our annual exports have reached $150 million, and we have a high reputation in the world. 1951 Mr. Jia Chen Erna was born in Taiwan. 1973 founded Stylution Taiwan Furniture Factory. 1996 founded Stylution China Furniture Factory. 2009 established Stylution America, California Factory. 2020 to rebuild Stylution Guangdong Factory area of 330,000 square meters. 2020 for set up Stylution Jiangsu Factory with 100,000 square meters. Our markets mainly come from North America, Australia, Europe, Middle East and Asia. We are suppliers for many online business like Amazon, Walmart, etc. Since 2023, the company has continuously set up some overseas warehouses in North America, Europe, Australia, the Middle East, so that we can provide our customers convenient delivery and quickly occupy the market. Our customers are mainly from OEM and ODM customers, engineering hotel projects, furniture customization, and cross-border e-commerce customers. We are also the supplier of Amazon, Walmart, and other online business platforms. Flexible payment policies for different customers, usually 30% as deposit and balance 70% before delivery. For some high-quality customers, we can support a longer payment period, letter of credit 60 or 90 days, to facilitate customer capital turnover. We participate in different foreign furniture exhibitions every year, such as Germany Cologne Exhibition, Middle East Dubai Exhibition, etc. Our domestic furniture fairs such as Guangzhou Furniture Fair CIFF, Shanghai Furniture Fair and Canton Fair. Our team continues to grow, and our overseas performance continues to make new breakthroughs. In our Dongguan factory, 600 production employees, 260 office staff, sales team of 40 people, and they provide quality service for customers all over the world. If you are interested in our products, please contact with our Overseas Department Director Mr. Robin. Welcome to visit our factory. It is our great honor.